What if I told you that there has been a groundbreaking research in the field of forensic ballistics? फॉरेंसिक बैलिस्टिक्स में एक ऐसी रिसर्च हुई है जिसमें दो आयरिश साइंटिस्ट दे आर एबल टू रिकवर फिंगरप्रिंट्स फ्रॉम द फायर्ड ब्रास कार्ट्रिज केसिंग्स. अब आज तक फिंगरप्रिंट्स क्यों नहीं रिकवर हो पा रहे थे फायर्ड केसिंग्स के ऊपर से? दिस इज बिकॉज जब एक बुलेट फायर होती है फ्रॉम द फायर आर्म, देयर इज द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हीट, देयर इज प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ गैसेज एंड द प्रेशर दैट दोज गैसेज exert, right? Also there is a production of a frictional force. जब वो कार्ट्रिज केस को एक्सट्रैक्ट और इजेक्ट किया जाता है from the firearm, frictional force is also produced. Now because of all of this, the biological residue, whatever that was present on the cartridge case, used to get destroyed, and there was no method to actually detect it. But in this new noble method that these scientists have developed, they have devised an electrochemical method. In this electrochemical method, this brass casing is used as an electrode and it is dipped in a chemical solution which contains an environmentally safe polymer. So this polymer, when a low electric voltage is applied, this polymer moves towards the metal casing and gets selectively deposited within the gaps of two ridges. When this polymer gets deposited there, immediately the fingerprints that are present on the fired cartridge case that gets produced, and those latent prints actually get visible when the cartridge case is actually taken out of that chemical solution. Tests have shown that this method works even on the cartridge cases that are 16 months old. So this provides durability to this analysis and provides a forensic potential to this research. Current forensic practices are only relying on matching the fired bullets and the fired cartridge cases and tracing back to the actual firearm that fired it. But with this method, investigators could actually find out who was the person who handled the ammunition or who was the person who loaded the ammunition within the firearm. Although additional testing methods and validations are still required before law enforcement agencies all over the world would accept this method, but if this method gets accepted worldwide, it could be a groundbreaking research in the field of forensic ballistics, where we can trace back to actually the person who was handling the ammunition and the firearm, probably at the time of shooting.